Hello, this is Robin. I'm gonna show you how to make a keypad for a door. The first thing you wanna do is to spawn a wall or something. I use this one. And make sure it's freezed. And the next thing you do is to go to the door tool on construction and take the elevator door. And make sure it's the right keys for you. I use the first one and the second, 1 and 2. And now I'm trying to make it fit in with the wall, like that. So now, make sure that is 1 and 2, or what you now want, and auto close and your delay for it, and it close after that time. So now you go to the keypad tool on construction, and make sure it's the same buttons on the door as on the door. I used the one in second, and I use the password 1, 2, 3, 4, and make sure all those are and 0.1 on both of the lower parts, and you just shoot it on the wall there and on this side. So now you can try it out. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And press OK, and the door will open.